Oh, this is Moresh, and this is an Arduino. Today we are going to make our first Arduino project, and an Arduino is a microcontroller. There are a few other ones like this, but this is one of the more common ones. There is an ESP32, there is microbit, which is commonly used in children's education. An Arduino is pretty versatile microcontroller. It can be used for beginner projects as well as pretty advanced projects as well. So today what we are going to do is we are going to do our first ever Arduino project in which we are just going to make an LED go off. Maybe we can make it go faster, maybe we can make it go slower. But the objective is to get you acquainted with the Arduino and see how we can program with it. So as you can see over here, this is the data cable, where the data cable will go. This is where we will be connecting it to the computer. This is the power jack. And then at the top and the bottom, there are these slots where you can connect it with wires so that it can interface with other peripherals. So let's just get on with it. I'm just going to keep it aside for a second and I'm going to share my screen. So whenever you don't know something, these days you have a very powerful tool at your hands, which is AI. So what I typically use is if I don't know something, I will just go to ChatGPT or whichever LLM, which is your choice, depending upon what do you want to do. You can choose your LLM. ChatGPT works fine. You can just ask them, can you give me a sketch? Sketch is basically a program for an Arduino. Our model is an Uno, and there are several models. There's Arduino Uno, Nano, Mega. They're fundamentally the same, but there are some features which might be a little bit more or a little bit less. That makes the LED on it blink. Off you go. That's pretty much it. So what we are doing over here is it has created this code for you, which we are going to just copy, and then we are going to put it in our Arduino IDE. Just keep this, make myself a bit smaller so that you can still see me, see my pretty face. And I have this already over here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the Arduino, and this is my data cable. It is connected to my computer and it has this kind of slot which allows it to go into this. So I'm going to just connect it over here. There you go. The LEDs are on, and now our program is meant to make it go blink. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to upload it over here. It's compiled and it's uploading. It's uploaded. Now in this thing, the timer is 3000 seconds, 3000 milliseconds. Now let's see what happens if we make it go a bit faster so that I can show it to you what a fast blinking looks like. See that blinking light LED? It's blinking every 300 milliseconds. Now if I change this to, I'll add a 0 over here, I'll add a 0 over here, and I will just upload this. Now it's going to blink slowly. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you can adjust the times over here. So it's a very simple program. It is basically making the LED pin, which is the built-in LED pin, which is 13 on most Arduino boards. And what we are doing is we are making that LED pin go high, which is what will make it light up. And we are waiting for 3 seconds, which is 300 milliseconds. Then we are making that pin low, which is it's turning off. And then we're waiting for 300 seconds. And this loop basically means this will keep on going in a loop forever. Easy peasy, simple project. That's it for today. We will be back with more complicated projects. Next time what we are going to do is we'll try to make an actual LED separate from the board itself, and we'll then discuss some more concepts in there. But I hope this is useful for you. I'm going to put this in a PDF and share it with you. Also have this in the description. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments. This is Moresh signing off. Bye-bye.